Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing every camera clip and the reference audio. Make sure you know the loudest, clearest sync point. A clap or slate works best. Select the clips you want to align in the project panel or timeline, then set in points at the chosen frame, or drop a marker on the reference track so Premiere can match timing. Once done, keep clips selected and proceed to the automatic synchronization step. This saves huge manual trimming later. You now use Premiere's built-in Synchronize. With clips still selected, right-click and choose Synchronize, then pick Audio to let waveform matching align tracks, or choose in points if you manually mark the clap. Premiere analyzes waveforms and shifts clips into place. This handles drift and multi-camera offsets automatically. After it finishes, expand synced clips into a sequence, check a few cuts, and make small nudges if needed. Make sure to ripple delete any resulting gaps so playback remains continuous. You finish by nesting the aligned clips or creating a multi-camera sequence so you can cut between angles smoothly, and then mute duplicate camera audio in favor of the clean reference track. If something looks off, reopen the original clips and try syncing again using a longer portion of reference audio. Longer waveforms yield more accurate matches. If automatic sync still fails, set precise in points on the clap frame and manually nudge clips by frames until audio phases align. Small shifts often fix remaining errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.